Hey everyone, Brian here with Fellow. Today I have a coffee from Andytown Coffee Roasters. This is their Mexico Bella Vista women's group. In this coffee we've tasted baking chocolate, maple, and roasted marshmallows. But what's really interesting is once this coffee cools down, it starts to develop a pineapple fruity note. And I think that is incredibly fascinating. This coffee also seems to have a very fluffy, viscous texture to it. And that's going to go perfectly with Prismo here, and I'm going to have Haley, our fellow tasting panelist, brew up a cup of this Andytown coffee using Prismo, and we'll be discussing. We saw your suggestions, and we'll be putting the recipes in the description below. Cheers!
Cheers!
So Haley, what do you taste in this coffee?
I'm noticing like marshmallows, cacao nibs, your typical like Mexico coffee kind of chocolatiness to it. Truffle milk chocolate, a little bit of marshmallow as well. And as soon as you get down to a low enough temperature, it's like dazzling acidity, but still straight up just like pineapple fruit juice. It's like super, super cool. It's super delicious.
And with Prismo here, we're getting a bit of a fluffier texture. There's more going on every single sip.
If you're looking for a cup that has closer to an espresso texture, that kind of like fluffy, creamy, like mouthfeel, and like a increase in viscosity in the middle of mouth, like a viscous mouthfeel. All that kind of good stuff.
We've seen your comments. Next week, we might actually be doing real espresso, and I think it'll be really fun, so stay tuned.
All right.
And as always, ordering is easy. I want to thank Haley for joining us this week, and we'll see you in the next one.